If you are given 2 points on the coordinate plane and you are asked to find the distance between them, drawing a right triangle will allow you to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between any 2 given points. In this case, we are trying to find the distance between point A and point B. The distance between point A and point B will form the hypotenuse of our right triangle. A vertical line can be drawn to form one of the right triangle's legs. We can easily measure the distance of any vertical line on the coordinate plane. A horizontal line can be drawn to form the other leg of the right triangle. We can easily measure the distance of any horizontal line on the coordinate plane, just as we can any vertical line. Using the grid lines, we can see that the vertical line is 8 units in length. We may also use the grid lines to see that the horizontal line is 6 units in length. Now that we know the length of side A and side B, we may plug those values into our equation and find the length of side C. The equation shown is the Pythagorean theorem. The legs of a right triangle will always be represented by the variables A and B. The values of A and B in this case are 6 and 8. The Pythagorean theorem states that we have to square those 2 values. 6 squared is 36, and 8 squared is 64. After squaring the lengths for A and B, you must add those results together. 36 plus 64 is 100. Whatever the length of C is, must be a value that when squared will equal 100 units. The only thing that you can square to make 100 is 10. So C must be equal to 10. Or you may simply take the sum of the squares of A and B and find the square root of that sum. The square root of 100 is 10. So now we know that the distance between points A and B is 10 units.